guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing how to take care of your voice and the reason why we end up hurting our voice unintentionally. And also by the end of this video, I'll be revealing the hack that I've been using for years and it has been helping me very much. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Reason number 1. Overuse of voice. Excessive talking or shouting will lead to damage your vocal cords. And if you're a talkative person just like me, I have a tip for you. So when I talk, I make sure that I control the volume, because already I'm talking and I don't want to hurt my vocal cords by increasing its volume unnecessarily. So make sure that you talk very softly and increase the volume only when necessary. Reason number 2. Rigorous practice. We being artists almost get carried away in the spirit of achieving our goals and we forget to take care of our vocal cords. So practicing rigorously or following wrong methods is gonna wreck you. So instead of doing that, just take small baby steps towards your dream. And following this path, you'll definitely reach your goal and there's no one out there who would stop you. Reason number 3. Bad eating habits. So when I say bad eating habit, it means when we eat something oily, we always crave to drink something cold, like an aerated drink or something. And this is exactly where you need to stop yourself. So when you drink a cold drink or some aerated drink after you're done eating something oily, what happens is the muscle around your vocal cords, it becomes a bit rigid. And that is what stops you from singing properly. And that is when you start experiencing trouble in your throat and your voice kind of cracks. So how to deal with it? So here comes my hack that I mentioned earlier. So what I do when I have something oily is I take a glass of lukewarm water and I drink it. I avoid drinking cold drinks. So what happens is when you drink lukewarm water, it loosens up the oil layer that gets stuck in your throat. So in addition to that, I also like to squeeze lemon in the lukewarm water that I have. And why you ask? We all know that lemon has excellent cleansing properties. And along with that, it has some healing properties as well. So when you have lemon in the lukewarm water, it will not only get rid of the oil layer that you have around your throat, but it will also kill infections. So here's a little tip that you should compulsorily do after you have lemon in the lukewarm water. What you're going to do is after you finish drinking that, take enough quantity of lukewarm water, quantity which is enough for you to gargle, and after you're done gargling, spit it out. The citrus that the lemon has does not end up hurting your teeth. So that was all about how to take care of your voice, and I hope this video was very useful for you guys, and I'm hoping that you guys will follow everything necessary and you'll take care of your voice. And so bye bye.